It's a beautiful Tuesday afternoon here in New York City. It's almost like spring is trying really hard, and like you can smell it in the air, or at least I hope that's what I'm smelling. But either way, amid a stock market slump being offset by a shining sun in Manhattan and the countdown beginning for tomorrow's Champions League match between PSG and Chelsea, you know who I'm rooting for. Lift up your glasses and get ready for it. Let's imbibe. You know what time it is. The markets, they're about to close right behind me. It's happy hour in New York City. U.S. stocks trading about 1% lower this Tuesday afternoon here at the New York Stock Exchange, pressured by a surge in the U.S. dollar as well as weakness in oil prices. Now, in another session lacking major and impactful economic data, investors, they happen to turn elsewhere for a sense of direction. The only major economic release today, wholesale inventories for January rising 0.3%, beating expectations, while the NFIB Small Business Index for February, that came in at 98, and little change from January's read of 97.9. But the bigger story of the day was the U.S. dollar advancing nearly 1% to 12-year high levels as the euro fell below $1.08 for the first time in 8 years, this on the beginning of quantitative easing in the Eurozone region. Also, oil prices down significantly after Goldman Sachs said in a note today that it expected U.S. crude to drop as far as $40 a barrel in the near term. And when you combine all of that with a near 0.25% drop in gold prices, as well as a series of corporate reports, then you have yourself a session where for every 3 stocks declining, there is one advancer right here at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this trading session. And on the corporate front, chipmaker Qualcomm announcing a 14% dividend hike to 48 cents per share, as well as a $15 billion stock buyback program. A lot. Credit Suisse has also named Prudential Chief Tidjane Thiam, well, I hope I'm saying that right, as its new chief executive officer. His appointment will become effective at the end of June, when current CEO Brady Dugan will step down. And Urban Outfitters reported quarterly profit of 60 cents per share, 2 cents above estimates, with revenue in line with expectations. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink, and I'll see you guys all on hopefully another great weather day here in the Big Apple. Also, stop into Urban Outfitters. They sell a lot of vinyl. I love vinyl. You should be listening to vinyl too. And until tomorrow morning from ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Swin.